Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain Kasy of Canada. So in today's video is very similar to the one I did last. So first of all, let me just show you something. So this is my channel. If you're joining the video, make sure you subscribe and watch some of my videos and like. Thank you so much for that. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about qlife. So come to your browser, write qlife. Click the first link, this appointment. Now, what is qlife? In my last video, I showed you how to book your medicals using IOM. IOM. In the last video, IOM medicals. International Organization for Migration. In the last video, I showed you how to book. So go back and watch that video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to book your medicals using qlife Family Clinic. So we have two known organizations for booking your medicals. The first one is IOM, the second one is qlife. IOM is more bigger, you understand. Is located on the mainland, while qlife is not that big like IOM, but they also offer efficient solution and smooth, seamless process for booking and medical checkup. They are located at the island, you understand. So depending, I won't say one is best over the other. It just depends on which one you prefer. If you are staying in the island, most people prefer to go to qlife. If you are staying on the island, if you are staying on the mainland, most people prefer IOM. But me, I use IOM because I was staying on the mainland, and I also choose IOM because it's bigger and it's one of the most, it's popular. Though popularity does not mean efficiency, you understand. So I just deem it fit. It's preference, as depending on your case they get to. Just the main goal is to do your medical checkup, you understand. Like I said in the initial video, which I encourage you to watch, we have what we call the upfront medical and the medical request. So upfront medical is when you are not told to go and do your medical by the Canadian government, that is RLCC. For those of you who are saying what is RLCC, so RLCC means Immigration, Refugees and Citizens Canada. So this is the body in charge for immigration related matters, do you understand? So that's why I'm using the word RLCC. So they can give you an email to go and do a medical. So you call that medical request. So most of the time it normally leads to approval. Sometimes, which is rare, maybe there's an error or a problem on the applicant part that can lead to denial. So most of the time it's recommended to go for upfront, so it makes your application faster. So I'll be explaining qlife. So qlife is simple, you understand. They support Canada, UK, United States. I think these are the three countries on your website. So I didn't use qlife. I used IOM. So this supports three countries. So depending on your country you are going to, UK, US. So on this example, I'll also be focusing on Canada because my vlog is about Canada. You understand? Anything I do is related to Canada, and I'm using Canada as an example because that's where I am. You understand? Although if you are going to UK, going to US, it's similar process. You just need to select the country to get. So let's choose Canada screening. So they will give you this notice, you read it, cancel. Then they will tell you Canadian immigration health screening terms and conditions. These are the requirements: original international passport or a photocopy of your data page if it's with the Canadian immigration authorities. So you can also bring a medical bio from the embassy, that is the medical request or upfront medical to be generated by qlife. Or you can bring eyeglasses, or those of you that wear eyeglasses, special reports, any other things that can support your case, because you're going for medical checkup. They want to check if your body is in good condition. So if you have previous medical history, maybe diarrhea, cancer, like FT, make sure you bring those past history. It can help. And don't lie, make sure you say the truth. Do you understand? Although they'll still find out by the time they start performing blood tests, urine test, x-ray, to check your eyes, open your eyes, check your mouth. Like, you will still find out. So just say the truth. You get. So duration of cleaning, all tests are conducted in a day except that require additional investigation. Medical report to be uploaded on e-medical within 5 minutes. Passports tests include, these are the age range 15 and above, detailed medical history, full physical examination. Just these are the tests they will do for you. Do you understand? Time restriction for the screening start 8 a.m. and 11, blah blah blah. These are the numbers to call if you have any inquiries, or send them email for more inquiries. These are the conditions. Payment had to be made before appointment can be confirmed. All payment are non-refundable. If you will not be able to keep your appointment, kindly notify us via this. You'll be rescheduled based on available slots. The screening takes 4 hours. So now let me talk on this. Now, for IOM, you don't pay before you get appointment letter. Do you understand? You get your appointment letter, but before you come to do your medical on that date you select, you must pay. So it's advisable to pay 2 days too. Although you can pay 1 day too, but it's always recommended to pay 2 days too. Do you understand? But for qlife, you cannot get the appointment letter. You have to pay first. Do you understand? And the payment is non-refundable. If you know you want to attend, don't pay. Do you understand? Make sure you attend. You understand? And for qlife, it takes 4 to 5 hours. Do you understand? Yeah, so this is for qlife. Once you have read it, click I agreed. The number of applicants that is coming. If it's only you, a student, or any number, press start. Do you understand? The number of persons they're going to charge, the more the person. So qlife charge 47,500. One thing about qlife is cheaper. Do you understand? It's very cheap, 47,500. While IOM is 150,000. I'm making a reference to IOM, the video I did on IOM, so please go back and watch it. Then based on the video, you can decide which one you want to go with. If it's for cost, you can try qlife. If you want maybe a popular hospital, a popular organization, more capabilities, not really. You can choose IOM, but both are efficient. Then below 5 years, you can select how many is coming with you. I shouldn't have selected that. Yeah, so if it's for my case, I would have selected, I use IOM, I didn't use qlife. So 1, hey, okay, sorry. So for the below 5 years, it was 47,500, but for qlife adult 95,000. Why IOM is 150? So it's still cheaper but expensive. Once you select that, press continue. Then your first name John, your first name John, surname Paul, or your email Kasy analyst. So if you have any inquiry or business inquiry or 1 or 2 consultation, you can write me to this email. Then you put your phone number. It's just a random phone number. It's not my phone number. This is my phone number. I just type any number, so don't call that number. Do you understand? If you want to reach me, write me to this my email. Then applicant's surname, applicant's family name. So your surname can also be your applicant's family name, but some people name might differ for those who are using their grandfather's name or something like that. So just put something. If it's the same thing, just put if it's the same thing, just put what did I put? Paul. Just put Paul. Then Canada immigration screening schedule number 95,000. Then continue. So you can see payer details from me. My name is John Paul. My email kasy@gmail.com. phone number, applicant family name. This is the money you pay in Canadian immigration screening. Then continue. So it will tell you the slot will only be reserved for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, if you don't make your payment, you will lose that slot. So make sure you make your payment. Your money is readily available. So I want 2025. I want June. Then yeah, you have to wait for it to load. You can see June 4th was closed. See, everything was closed. So the available slot is on 5th. So you can check all that slots. So our payment on this platform has to be made with Naira card because it's based in Nigeria. So qlife is charging you in Naira, but IOM is now charging you USD. So which is pretty cool. So these are the time slots. I can choose 8 a.m. So yeah, this is the details. 95,000. Press continue. Then no payment has been made in Naira card. Make sure you read the instruction. The instruction is very key. Note, you'll be required to make payment before you proceed to registration. To this end, please ensure you have ATM card available. Blah blah blah. You can pay with Paystack or you can pay with Coro payments. These are the information. You can pay with Paystack or this. So anyone, if you have Paystack, proceed. It will redirect you to the checkout. So yeah, you can see it was 95,000, but once it got here with bank charge and all their charges, it's sum up to 96,548 Naira 0.22 cents. Like, am I saying cents? Yeah, 0.22. So enter your card number and pay. So at this point, I won't be able to proceed because obviously I won't want to pay 96,000 to show you an example. no, I can't do that. So what I'm saying is that this is where the tutorial ends. This is where the teaching ends. But for you, just make sure you enter your card details. Then once you enter your card details and you pay, then you'll be given a generated appointment slip which you will take when you are coming for the appointment. Do you understand? It's very simple. You understand? For once again, I repeat, for qlife, you will pay first of all before you get your appointment letter. You pay 95,000. You understand? And for IOM, you won't pay before you get appointment letter. You get your appointment letter, but once you are coming 2 days to make sure you pay them. For IOM is 95 USD. That's like 150,000 Naira. You understand? Make sure you watch that video. You understand? IOM, and this is qlife. You understand? Both are straightforward. During my time 2023, sometimes I'm even lucky to even see date by today is Tuesday. I'm lucky to see date. Normally Monday morning within 1 hour, like everyone like normally everyone wait on Monday morning to get. So 8 a.m. or people start like waiting from 4 a.m. like they just release dates. Before you know it, 2 hours everywhere is booked. That was when it was hot. Canada was hot, like everybody was rushing. You know, the immigration policy was still chill. You understand? You won't even see date by Tuesday. You cannot see date for the week. You won't see date before you see another date. It's the next Monday. So it was really tough. Now it's easy. You know, say I saw date, I saw different slot, I saw 8 a.m, 9 a.m, 10 a.m. Then you won't see. So this is just a process. I don't want to make this video long. So this is how to book your medical qlife. And once you are done with the medical bookings, you're going to be, once you go to Lagos Island, do you understand? Once you go to Lagos, what I want to say? Yeah, once you go to Lagos Island, where the location is, after you are done with everything, I'm going to give you the medical. Once you are done with everything, they're going to give you a medical slip. You understand? So when they give you that medical slip, so when you are applying for your visa application, you're going to upload that slip, which is called upfront medical. in your application to tell the Canadian Embassy IRCC that I've done my medicals in advance, so no need to tell me, no need to request medical information from me. Do you understand? Then you submit that. So why you have done your medical checkup, so qlife or IOM, whichever hospital or institution, will start processing your reports. You understand? They will just, that first one is a receipt that okay, you have done it today, go and submit. Then they'll start processing your detailed report. They will measure you on whether you have A grade, B grade. Do you understand? If you have A grade, that means something is wrong. So that after they check out urine test, X-ray, blood test, your height, sight, cancer, like HIV, different kind of stuff. So they are now going to write a detailed report and send to the Canadian Embassy. Do you understand? So always after like a month or 2 weeks, always like prompt them, whether IOM or qlife, to send your full detailed report to IRCC, to Canada or whatever country embassy. You understand? So once they send it, so once the visa officer is checking your application and he sees that okay, you have submitted your upfront medical, he's going to use the UCI or the IME number. Do you understand? The IME number. In IOM, you're required to put it if you have, and you're not required if you don't have. But in qlife, they didn't ask it from you. But what I'm saying is that the visa officer is going to use that UCI or IME to check your, to locate your report that the hospital or the organization has sent. Do you understand? So these are the process work. So once the visa officer says okay, you're in good standing medically, they can now go forward and approve your application. Most of the time, if you get medical requests, you get approved, except in rare cases. So that is everything. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like the video, give it a thumb up, share this video to who are looking to book their medical in qlife, and let me know what you think. Comment your experience and what your share if you have done it, and like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going to do another video. It's still related to Canada, but another video, very interesting. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, turn on your notification button, and yeah, I remain Kasy of Canada, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.